Photoshop Elements is designed to make photo editing easier, especially for beginners and intermediate users, with a blend of AI and automation. One of the standout features is the Quick Actions panel, which consolidates several powerful tools into one-click versions. With over 30 options, tasks like dehaze and colorizing a black and white photo can be completed by just one click. Here are a few more features worth highlighting. In addition to automatically selecting a background, selecting the sky is now possible with just a single click. New quick actions in Photoshop Elements 2025 include AI-powered tools like Depth Blur, Sparkles Overlay, Blinking Hearts Graphics, Pink Frame, and a Zoom and Out effect. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials and tips on using Adobe Photoshop Elements.